Hey guys, Whitney with All Things Automotive. Today I am bringing to you a 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. It is going to feature a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It does have a minor incident on the Carfax, which we will go over in a little bit. 2 owners, right under 42,000 miles. So let's make our way around this vehicle, noticing all the features it does have to offer. Make our way around again, noticing any sort of dents, dings, or imperfections you could expect to find, as it is a pre-owned vehicle. You can see here it is a clear coat white. It is going to have black to give it a nice little pop of color. You can see that you have the black surrounding the bottom fog lights here below. Black grille. You're going to have black wheels. You can see the TRD emblem there in the center of them. Semi-aggressive tire. We're going to go over exact tread depths once we make our way inside the vehicle. You can see that you also have the black running boards as well as black badging on the vehicle, again showing here that it is a 5.7 liter V8 engine. I'm gonna go ahead, take a look at the interior. You can see that you do have black leather seating. It is gonna have red stitching, give it a nice little pop. Everything is very well maintained with this vehicle. No sort of smells or odors coming from the vehicle. You can see there the black dash with the red stitching as well. You're gonna have the same thing on the door. Cup holders and storage compartment down below, powered locks and windows. You are going to have manual seating on your passenger side, but you will have powered seating on your driver's side. Now, one thing I want to point out, and you'll find this in all of the vehicles that we have here at All Things Automotive, this is the inspection form. You'll see green checks the entire way throughout, but I just want to point out 14-30 seconds as far as your tire tread depths. 8 and 11, 30 seconds as far as brake pads are concerned. So not having to worry with that anytime soon. Again, you will find this in the glove box, and you can see that you do have your owner's manual in there then as well. Taking a look at the back, you'll see that you have lots and lots of space back here for your backseat passengers. The seat is very large, it's kind of oversized. It's one of my favorite parts about the Toyota Tundra is that it doesn't have any sort of like divots or anything like that as far as the seating is concerned. Straight across, tons of space. You do have the center console here, which will fold down for 2 additional cup holders if you are not utilizing that middle seat. You have your back air vents here. All weather mats throughout to be able to keep it nice and clean, and then you have a storage pouch on the back of the passenger seat for any sort of additional storage as well. Now you do have your powered windows back here, again cup holders and storage compartment. This latch here will actually allow for you to lift this up, so if you would like to lift up that whole row you may, if you need like additional storage or anything like that back here. Taking a look at the back, you can see that you do have your tow hitch here, backup camera. I'll show you more about that once we make our way inside the driver's side. But then you do have your bed liner here as well, and then you have a tri-fold cover for the bed as well. And then it is a Line-X bed liner. Taking a quick look here in the back driver's side, again just showing you it is identical to that of the passenger side. Same with the door. Then you have the driver's side. So as I previously mentioned, you will have your powered seating, powered locks, windows. Your mirror adjustments are to the left of the steering wheel, as well as all of your light options, and then that rear window that is powered as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop up in here, turn it on so we can go over some additional features. We'll show you here you get 2 keys with the purchase of the vehicle. Left side of your steering wheel, you're going to have your volume controls as well as your Bluetooth settings. On the right side, you are going to have your collision control, your lane departure assist, and then your display options. Now, taking a look up here in the dash, you can see the only light that is on is the seatbelt light, simply because I hopped up in here super fast. But you're at 41,659 miles on this vehicle, so as I previously mentioned, right under 42,000. You have a nice display center area, all your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio capabilities, all your heating and cooling options are shown down below. I am just going to throw it in reverse really fast just to show you that backup camera. You do have a CD player in this particular vehicle as well. All your 4-wheel drive options all your drive modes, 2 cup holders, and storage compartment in here. Now, a nice little bonus is that you do have a sunroof, so all those options are going to be right up here towards your sunglass holder, with this being the sunroof. Now, one thing I am just going to point out is this. So, when I was saying about moving the back window, this is what I was referring to. So, Carfax history report will show it is a 2019. 2 owners. It was a corporate fleet. Then it was a personal vehicle. Minor incident. I'm just going to show you here where that was. Looks like November of 22. Damage to the front. And again, just saying that a minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle's body. Nothing that's going to compromise the integrity of the vehicle by any means. Simply just going to cause a little bit of a dent or a scratch. So I am going to go ahead and we're going to remove that. I did want to show you here while I move the key. You have your traction control and then all your towing and trailer brake over here as well. So it does have the full tow package. So for the last section of the video, we're just going to get out noticing any sort of dents, dings, or imperfections you could expect to find on this vehicle. It is pre-owned. It is white. So it is bound to have some. However, you can see that there's a line running up through here. This is a chip guard. So it is protected in that sense. At those areas, you are going to have a little bit of stone chipping here on the very front. But overall, I think that you will find that this vehicle is in excellent condition. Mark down there. There's that one. The other one came off. It's a couple right here. Looks like you have some that were touched up back here on the side. You do see a little bit of scratching up here. This is super common as it comes from putting items into and taking them out of the bed of the truck. So again, super, super common with that. And nothing to really note on this side. So again, 2019 Toyota Tundra does have around 42,000 miles, all the features that you need. If this is something that you would be interested in, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Check us out online at www.allthingsautomotive.com or come down and visit the showroom at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.